This is called the hard question tip. There are in the math section, generally, at the end of the math section, there are two very difficult problems. If you're trying to get a score in like the high 600s or around 700, skip the last two. That's the tip. Skip the last two. Because if you look at how they lay them out, the last two tend to be rated as hard. They generally take about 3 minutes to complete. If you're spending those 3 minutes there, you are not checking the other ones. It's better to skip these and check your other questions. Second tip is when you're doing the questions and you hit one of those reading ones, when there's at least 4 lines, skip those and do that last. Often it takes more than a minute to read it. What you can do is scan it and then move on. Your brain is processing, oh my God, it's about a triangle and something about ratio of angle to angle and angle, 2 to 3 to 4. Okay, I'll be thinking about that while I do other problems. So the tip is, when you get a question that has a lot of reading to do in it, for many students it works to read it, but then skip it. Come back to it later. Because often these reading ones have a trick in them, and the second reading will reveal it. This is a race of time. It's not really a test of your mathematical ability. The SAT does not predict success at university. It predicts success at doing a standardized test under time. So there really is no strong connection between I did well on the SAT, so therefore I'm going to do well elsewhere.